Looking to score the best Namecheap coupon codes and save big on your Namecheap web hosting purchase? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the latest Namecheap discount so you can grab domains, hosting, and more at the best possible price. First, click the link in the description below to access the latest Namecheap promo codes. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Namecheap discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll land on the official Namecheap Promos and Deals page. This page is updated monthly with all the latest offers, so you're always getting the best deal. You can browse discounts by category. Whether you need a domain, hosting, security, or apps, there's a deal waiting for you. When you find the perfect deal, just click on it. Namecheap will either provide you with a promo code to enter at checkout or automatically apply the discount for you. Easy, right? And just like that, you've successfully unlocked the best Namecheap discounts available. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and web hosting tutorials.